Day 20. Crafting with nature. Leaf and flower press art. Day 20 brings beach vibes to your crafting table. Create beautiful leaf and flower press art. Bring the beauty of nature into your home. Creating leaf and flower press art allows families to combine their love for nature with creativity. This activity not only produces beautiful and unique pieces of art but also encourages exploration and appreciation of the natural world. Step 1. Gather materials. Materials needed: fresh leaves and flowers, collected from a nature walk or your garden. Heavy books or a flower press. Parchment paper or wax paper. Cardstock or heavy paper. Glue. Picture frames, optional. Tweezers, optional, for delicate handling. Paints, markers, or colored pencils, optional, for adding details. Step 2. Collect and prepare leaves and flowers. Select leaves and flowers. Choose a variety of leaves and flowers that are not too thick or moist. Delicate, flat flowers like pansies, daisies, and ferns work well. Prepare for pressing. Lay the leaves and flowers between 2 sheets of parchment or wax paper to prevent sticking and protect the pages of your book or flower press. Step 3. Press the leaves and flowers. Using books. Place the prepared leaves and flowers inside a heavy book. Add more books on top for extra weight. Leave them to press for at least 1 to 2 weeks. Using a flower press. If you have a flower press, arrange the leaves and flowers inside and tighten the screws. Leave them for about a week to ensure they are completely dry and pressed flat. Step 4. Create your art. Design your layout. Arrange the pressed leaves and flowers on a piece of cardstock or heavy paper. Play around with different designs before gluing anything down. Attach the leaves and flowers. Once you are satisfied with the arrangement, use a small amount of glue to secure each leaf and flower in place. Allow the glue to dry completely. Add details, optional. Use paints, markers, or colored pencils to add extra details to your artwork, such as stems, veins, or decorative elements. Step 5. Frame your artwork, optional. Choose a frame. Select a picture frame that complements your artwork. Make sure it has enough depth to accommodate the pressed leaves and flowers. Frame the art. Carefully place your artwork in the frame. Secure the back and make sure the art is centered and straight. Step 6. Display and share. Find a spot. Display your finished leaf and flower press art in a prominent place in your home, such as a living room, bedroom, or hallway. Share with others. Consider making additional pieces as gifts for friends and family. Share photos of your artwork on social media to inspire others. And as always, stay safe and good luck. Time for Day 20 riddle. I'm found on the beach and make a sound like the ocean when you hold me to your ear. What am I? Hint: this object is often collected as a souvenir from the beach. You got 30 seconds to solve. The answer is a seashell. You got it. Thank you for participating. We are back tomorrow with another exciting challenge. This activity is free to participate in, but if you wish to support us, consider purchasing any of our many affordable items from our Amazon store. Thank you for your participation.